Today we're going to talk about this whitening tooth powder, which is used to remove coffee stains and nicotine and leaving you with a healthy smile. This powder is used day and night. Okay, it could be used from 1 to 3 times a day according to the severity of the case. Okay, let's look here. This is how it looks like from inside. Okay, this is the powder. Okay, this is used for one person only, so it's personal use only. And you have to wet the toothbrush. As you can see, this is a wet toothbrush. We dip the toothbrush in the powder like this. Okay, this is how we dip it, and then we put the toothbrush on the teeth and start brushing like this. Okay, this is how we do it. Okay, we start brushing our teeth as if we are using a toothpaste. Exactly, it's the same thing. Okay, so this powder is used for patients having coffee stains and nicotine on their teeth. And this really, I don't recommend using it a lot of for a long time. It's only used for some time, as it may cause abrasion of the enamel layer. Thank you for listening today.